Hello, my name is Trident Girl, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Minecraft skin in Tynker. Press on Minecraft and scroll down and press on Create Skins. For this video I'm going to be editing an Alex skin. Press Start Project to begin. Then you will be taken to this screen where you can move around the character and select different colours and tools to edit it. You can press on this little box character here to make parts of the character vanish, like this. So then you can draw underneath it. The pencil tool allows you to draw one pixel at a time. On the left side of the screen there is a lot of colours that you can select to use. When you press on the rainbow circle you will be taken to this screen. At the top there is a sliding bar where you can select the colours and you can move the circle to change the shade. If you press on the large coloured circle under the colours, it will come up with several different types of colour fills. Normal is the one you usually have and that gives you a block colour. Colorized is the same shade as the pixel underneath it. Scatter randomly chooses a shade, and Gradient creates a gradient effect. For this video I will be using Colorize. If you press on the circle next to it, it will come up with Brush. You can press freehand, but on a skin it doesn't do anything. You can also change the size of the brush. You can select medium, large, or small. At the top, select the bucket tool to select the fill setting, where every pixel of the same colour will be automatically filled. Next to it, press Erase to remove any editing changes that you've made. You can press the Erase tool to change the size of the brush as you can in the pencil setting. For this video I'm going to be changing the colour of the shirt to purple. So I'm going to select the boxes to hide the rest of the skin while I draw on the body. This is what the character looks like finished. You can select the little world icon down the bottom and it will put your character in a Minecraft-like world to see how it would look. Select the name at the top to edit it. I will be calling my character Alex 2. Press the little cloud button to download it. This is how it looks once you download it. And this is how it looks in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a Minecraft skin in Tynker. Goodbye.